create something like this at the comfort of your home with your smartphone. In this video, I posted this video, and in so many of my social media, they're asking me the tutorial, and I even promised to drop the tutorial here on YouTube. So when you are seeing this video for the first time, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, okay, comment something meaningful, and subscribe. So let's go. Now the app you are going to use to generate something like this is just one free app, just one. And the best part is that you are supposed to use two, but I'm dropping my prompts which you can use to generate this particular video. So you are going to be getting just one app instead of two. Now these videos, you can use this video to go viral on your social medias, and I can see many of these videos are going viral on their yes, they are going viral. And also this video, you can use it for adverts. You can use it to to promote your if you are a chef or whatsoever. And you can even be posting videos like this, like shorts. You can post it as shorts in your YouTube or your whatever social media that you are using. So now sit tight, let's dive in. So the first thing you are going to do here is to get your image. So for the course of this video, I have already taken a screenshot. I snapped the image I'm going to use for this tutorial. We are going to do it together. So after taking your images, after taking your pictures, then the next thing you are going to do is to copy the prompts, the first prompt. I have image prompt, I have video prompt 1, video prompt 2, and video prompt 3. So when you copy the first prompt, that is picture prompt, copy it, and then you head over to Grok AI. If you don't have Grok AI, you can download it in your Play Store or your Apple Store. So let's go. When you go head over to your Grok AI, click on this image icon down here, this particular one. Click on it, edit photos. Click on edit photos. And then this place, they say type to image, type to make image. Click here, and then you bring in your first prompt. Then I click here, send it. That arrow, that is why I send it. So I have to give it some time to generate the image. So this is our first image is already generated. Although this is not really me, oh, this is not my real face, please. So I have to click here to download the image. This arrow here to download the image. So now click on make a video, and then bring in the first prompt. So I send it. Now wait for the first video to generate. So let's wait a bit, and then our image is ready. This is not my real face, so but remember I'm doing this. I use the particular, like I snapped now and decide to do it. So this is not my real face. I don't know where they get this face from. It's not even my earring that they're even wearing myself. So you download it, and then bring in the second prompt. So bring in the second prompt and click on this arrow again, send it, and give it some time to generate. Remember I said I'm going to leave the prompt in the comment section, so it will be easy for you to pick it. My God, I'm even confused looking at the video. Which one to pick? This one, I'm on low cut, but guys, I'm not on low cut, please. I would have loved the video too, but they made me to be on low cut. Imagine. So we are going to go for the final one. So now we are bringing our prompt 3. We click here again. I know some persons will be saying, 6 seconds. Yeah, it's not even, that kind of a thing. No, this is how you keep generating each of the videos you want, and then you pile them up together. And at the end of the day, you'll be having 3 videos. like this.
Wow, this fried chicken is calling my name. Look at that crunch. Mmm, so juicy and flavorful. The perfect bite.
So what you are going to do after generating the three prompts, you please make sure you click on download. Because if you not click on download, your video will not download. Oh. Make sure that each of them you click on the download icon to download them. So when you are done downloading it, the next thing you are going to do is going to go to any of your edits app. It can be CapCut, it can be InShot. InShot gives you opportunity to edit for free. So it can be edit, anyone, just any of your editing app, go there, bring in the image or just select the videos of your choice, bring it in, edit, then join them together, remove some necessary parts that you don't want, then add your sounds. If you want it to have music, you can add your sound. All right, I still remain your humble self, Queen Scholar, your AI coach, your editing coach, and of course anything I see that can bring money to your table, I am also your number one plug. Okay, now please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it to subscribe, like the video, comment anything you want me to teach you next, and also do not forget to share. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.